mga kapaglaom. Welcome to Health Beats. According to the Department of Health, oral disease continues to be a serious health problem in the country. About 87% of Filipinos have tooth decay or dental caries. This disease affects almost every Filipino at one point or another in his or her lifetime. In general, tooth decay does not directly cause disability or death. Nevertheless, this can weaken immune system and serve as an entry point to other more dangerous diseases like arthritis, heart disease, and gastrointestinal disease. Tooth decay may affect nutrition, work performance, social interaction, and even self-esteem. Studies in the Philippines revealed that toothache is a common ailment among children and is the primary cause of absenteeism from school. Shall we allow our children to ruin their success in later life because of tooth decay? Of course, no. Here are some measures to prevent tooth decay. 1. Regular dental checkup. 2. Brush 3 times a day, especially after eating. 3. Rinse mouth after eating or chew sugarless gum 15 to 20 minutes when brushing is not possible. 4. Floss after eating sticky foods. 5. Use fluoridated toothpaste. 6. Snack foods that do not contribute to tooth decay, such as nuts, vegetables, grains, and fruits. 7. Limit foods that contain fermentable carbohydrates like sugary foods and drinks. This is Miss Laila reminding you, a friendly smile makes you happy and good news makes you feel strong. Be healthy. It's a wise choice.